Right, so this is a bit of a review of Steam. And as you probably know, Steam is a gaming platform. You can, download games, play games, stream games, mainly for PC gaming. And so, as you can see here, this is the Steam dashboard, I guess. This is like the main store page. I'll just do a very quick review. I'll keep this one pretty simple because, Steam is free to make an account on. So there's not really much to say. I just thought I'd talk a bit about my experience with it, I guess. So personally, I love the fact that you can refund games pretty quickly and easily. The platform itself, it's not bad. I wish you could kind of zoom in and change how it looks. But yeah, I typically just play maybe 4 or 5 different games on Steam. I don't really download the latest and greatest ones. I just play the ones I like. It's not bad. What I like is that you can decide with the downloads, you can decide if you want to have downloads going while you're playing games or not. So that's quite useful. And it's good that you can browse, different categories. That's quite good. You can decide, what type of games you want to play, simulation, strategy, shooting games, whatever. Yeah, but overall, Steam, I have to say it's pretty good. Compared to, because I've played, Xbox, PlayStation, things like that before. Steam, I would say, is a lot easier to use. And I like that it's all in one place. You can just download, what you want. Choose different categories. They seem to always have discounts on and sales. And sometimes, I've seen some games that are either free or they're just, £1 or £2, which is really good. But then obviously the latest games, the ones that have come out the most recently, they'll be £50 or some of them even £60, which I think is an insane price for a game. But I guess that's not Steam's fault, that's just the game developer. But yeah, overall I'd say Steam is very good and I would recommend that you use it.